So I just got back from Deals, which is, like I said, like it's kind of like a Dollar Tree or a dollar store. And I bought Brayden some things. And for those of you that don't know, Brayden's going to be my new reborn. So, alright, I'm going to show you what I bought him. Alright, so the first thing I bought him were these little socks. They're really cute. This pair's gray and dark blue, and it says Little Monsters. Got a monster on it. And then this pair is light blue and dark blue, and it's got a monster face on it. Alright, and then I got him this outfit, and Anna has one just like it, only it's purple, and it's got flowers on it instead of a boat. So they have matching outfits now. So this is the little tank top, and then these are the shorts. So that's what he got. I didn't get him much, but you know, it's a nice little homecoming present, I guess. And I got vanilla Coke because I was really thirsty, so that's what I got. Here's Anna. She's cute. She's my little angel. But I am going to a race tomorrow in Kentucky. It's about 6 hours away. And I'm not going to take Anna just because it's a race, and, you know, so I'm just not going to take her. But I probably won't have a video up then till, like, Sunday or Monday. So that's the next time I'll update. But don't worry, guys. I am coming back. So, yep. All right, guys. I'm going to go. Bye, guys.